Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today recipe we are going to be making tilapia fish with plantain pepper soup. Guys, this recipe is so delicious. This is the perfect recipe we need at the moment because we are stuck in one place, no movement. We don't want to also eat fatty food that will make us to blow up. So this recipe is good for you, so try and make it for your family. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's get started. These are the tilapia fish I'm going to be using for this recipe. As you can see, I've cleaned up the fish. Here is the plantain and the spices that I'm going to use. I'm not going to tell you the exact amount because we all have different tastes. Like me, I eat a very spicy food. You may not like spicy food, so you just have to regulate yourself in the spices you want to put. So I'm also going to list the ingredients that I use for this recipe. I will leave it in the description box below so you can as well check it out. So now I'm just going to pour in my garlic, ginger and scotch bonnet that I blend together. I'll add some crayfish, maggi cubes, pepper soup spice. I'm going to be adding some water. I'm adding some salt. I'm going to be adding more water. You know it's pepper soup. We need that water to warm our body up. So I'm just going to cover it. Then I'm just going to be peeling the plantain that I'm going to put inside the pepper soup. Now I'm going to be pouring the plantain inside my pepper soup. I'm going to give it a nice stir, but you need to be very careful because you don't want your fish to break up, so stir it gently. I'm going to cover it and then I will allow it to cook. So I've been cooking the plantain inside the pepper soup for about 10 minutes because I want the plantain to be very soft. So now I'm just going to add the scent leaf, the incham. So I'll give it a nice stir. Remember, you need to stir it gently so that your fish will not scatter inside your pot, and so just stir it gently. So I'm just going to leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes more. So guys, I'm going to be adding some parsley. Then our pepper soup is ready. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'm also going to tell you, remember to hit that notification bell because if you don't hit that notification bell, you will never receive any alert that Sade Ella has posted a new video. In that way, you never see any of my new recipe that I'm going to upload in this channel. So always remember, if you subscribe, to hit that notification bell to always remind you that Sade Ella has a new video. Run and go and watch. I love you all, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye bye. Ciao.